Paddy McGuinness Brigade.
Yes.
How are you feeling?
Very good, yeah.
Steve, what's the menu?
Scallops, quill's egg, and crispy pancetta.
Crispy pancakes?
Pancetta. Crispy pancetta. Pancetta. Pancetta.
Uncle Fester, what's the main course?
Don't say that.
I'm not going to smack.
Go on.
Fried chicken in breadcrumb with mozzarella cheese, tomatoes.
Here's the thing. We haven't even fucking started cooking
I'm sweating like a
and
pig.
you're sweating like anti-Roll Thompson lookalike. Oh! Hell, lad. No, man. What do you do?
I'm a hairdresser.
Fuck.
That's what we thought.
Well, fuck me, Paddy, what a brigade.
I know, yeah.
Meet tonight's family brigade, the McGuinnesses. Backing Paddy up in the kitchen is Tony, a former casino pit manager who at 16 stone clearly loves stacking up the chips. Then there's Omaran, also known as Emu. Steve might be a former professional footballer, but he's got 2 left feet in the kitchen. Comedian Paddy clearly loves a laugh, but the F-word diners won't find it funny if the food's not up to scratch. If they don't like it, they don't pay. On the menu tonight, pan-sodded scallops with quail's eggs and pancetta, a scallop of chicken with fresh tomatoes and mozzarella, and raspberry souffle. Any pissing about and the lads will be on the road to nowhere.
Fuck you, Ramsay.
Yeah!
Starter, pan-sautéed scallop, quail's eggs, crispy pancetta, and a really nice fresh pea puree. These things are delicate.
I know, that's all.
The secret is opening it up properly, yeah? Best thing to do is just slice, and then with your nails, just open it up, and nice and gently lay it in there. Now, the secret behind the dish, there's no big sauce or anything involved, it's quite healthy. We've got the pea puree at the bottom of the plate, and we want the nice, rich quail egg yolk combining as a bit of a sauce. Paddy, you're looking very confused. What's the matter?
No, I'm concentrating.
No, concentrate.
Yeah.
Good man. Once the eggs are done, have the confidence to take them off and let them sit there. Right, 6 scallops. And the idea now is just seasoning from a height, and that gets a really nice, even distribution. OK, we start at 12 o'clock, work our way around, so we know which one needs to be turned first. Now, honestly, literally 30 seconds in, turn, 30 seconds the other side. If you ever cook them, they go really rubbery. Pea puree, yeah, this is blended. Yeah, with chicken stock. OK, so bring the chicken stock to the boil, peas straight in, cook for literally 30 seconds, season, then blitzed, OK? Now, one on, 5, see? Like little Miss Muffets sat on a tuffet, yeah? 3 nice quail's eggs, and then a little bit of vinegar on there, yeah, to act as a bit of a sauce. Pancetta on the end. OK, would you pay for that, Tone?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, of course. If every dish goes out like that, yeah, trust me, you'll get 50 out of 50 paying for that, yeah?
Yeah.
Sections, let's have Steve and Paddy together, Tony, Oman together. The 2 chunkies down that end and Steve and Paddy this end, yeah? Okay.
Hang on, go out.
Gentlemen, are we ready?
Yes,
Yeah. On order, 4 covers, table 12, 4 scallops, 4 chicken, 4 souffle.
Yes, chef.
Yes, chef.
Oh, fucking a slight delayed reaction.
Yes,
Let's
chef.
go. Now, you, yeah, how many eggs you putting in?
3 quail eggs, yeah.
And 4 portions on.
Right.
So how many is that altogether?
3. 4, sorry, Gordon. 4, sorry, Gordon.
Emu.
Yeah.
4 threes are what?
12.
How many eggs are you going to put on? Fucking hell. Paddy, have a word.
I'm not listening, chef.
Yeah, 12.
12
Good.
eggs, yeah.
Now we look at me and said 4, plus 1 extra in case we smash it.
When are you talking, boys?
Let's go. So 6 covers, table 5, 6 scallops, 6 chicken, 6 souffle.
Yes, chef.
Yes, chef.
Come on, Stevie.
Boys, last one, eh?
Don't dip in the fucking quail eggs. Get some tissue on there, quickly.
Yes, chef.
That's what the eggs are poaching.
yourself,
Keep that for your head. Come on.
Yeah, sorry, chef.
Yeah? Fucking hell, lad.
I've no eggs here.
Eggs ready?
I've
Come
no
on,
eggs
get them.
here.
Huh?
I need some eggs.
What do you mean?
Fucking hell.
We haven't run out of eggs, have we?
Paddy, have you got any more eggs?
They took our eggs.
Have you checked out eggs?
Thieving bastard.
Seriously?
Sabotage.
We had enough eggs in here for 80 fucking portions. How many have you binned?
I've not binned any.
You haven't been. How many of you have cooked then? You lying
Come on.
fucker. Huh? How many? Put them in.
I don't know, Gordon.
Last 2 tables. They're doing a 6, you do a 4. Let's go. Stevie, get your plates out quickly. Paddy, serve an extra slice of scallop per portion. No fucking eggs, yes?
Extra slice per portion. Yeah.
Fucking hell. Plates, so these scallops.
Just 4 scallops.
Yeah, no, not just 1 scallop.
Get on then.
Let's
I'm
go.
leaving.
I have to extremely apologize because this is how far as they could actually get it out. So
Where's my eggs?
they kind of run out of quail eggs. So
Yeah, now.
Fucking hell. OK, clear down, yeah? Let's get ready for the main course. How are you, sir? Ladies, good evening. Gentlemen, how are we?
Very well.
Good. Now, how was your starter?
Fantastic.
Yeah, you enjoy it?
Really just thought the flavours, the textures, fantastic. All
Great.
worked really well.
Now, why are you looking so miserable? The arms folded. What's the matter?
Everything was done perfectly.
Right.
There was just too much oil.
That plate does look pretty oily, you're absolutely right. They're supposed to be finished with a little drizzle of vinaigrette, so obviously something's very heavy-handed with the vinaigrette, so...
Okay.
Damn, they give you a puddle, not a drizzle, which is a shame. Darling, how was yours?
Perfect. It
Yes?
really was, yeah.
Something you could
Very
try at
nice, Thank you. I'd be brave. I would give it a go.
I'm glad to hear it. Hope you enjoy the main course. Good to see you.
Really nice mixture of flavours and textures as well.
OK, how well do you think you did? Starters?
We started with crap and we're going to go better.
Yeah. Right, Jose, results, please. Thank you. Right. The number of people, yeah, that are willing to pay for the starter out of 50 is 35 out of 50. Yeah! Hey, that's not perfect, but it's not...